The next competency is finding the equation of a line. This time, anak, given naman tayo ng slope at ng point. Ibig sabihin, hindi na natin isa-solve to. Isa-substitute na natin agad. Okay, example number 1. The given slope is negative 1/2. So, ito yung slope natin. Pag sinabi natin small letter m, si slope po iyon. And the given point is 4, 3. Now, how to find the equation of a line given a slope and a point? So, meaning, we need to use the point slope form. And this is the pattern. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Or what we're going to do, step 1, write the pattern. Then step 2, we need to write the given. So our given, we have the slope of 1/2, and the given point, we have 4/3. Okay, that's step 2, ha? Step 2, write the given. And then put a label. So since ang ating point ay isa lang yung lalagyan natin ng label. So this will become x, y, anong number to? 1, 1. So meron na tayong label, meron na tayong formula. What is step number 3? Substitution na po tayo. Again, take note, pag nag-substitute tayo, yung y natin at yung x, remain lang yan. Just copy. Ano lang ang papalitan po natin? Si y sub 1, si slope, at si x sub 1 lang po. Ito lang po yun. Si y sub 1, which is 3, si x sub 1, which is 4, at si slope na negative 1/2. O substitute na po natin. Y minus, that is y sub 1? 3. Is equal to, what is the slope? Negative 1/2. Times x minus, that is x sub 1. Okay, that is substitution method. Sinubstitute natin yung value. Then our next step is to simplify na po. Now, how to simplify? Check first the slope. So again, what is the slope? Negative 1/2. So negative 1/2, this is a fraction, tama? Okay, kapag ang slope natin ay fraction, saan natin dinadala yung denominator? Very good, sa left side. Hindi na tayo magmumultiply. So we need to transpose 2 or the denominator to the left side. Saan yung denominator? 2. Then yung remaining term sa left, ilalagay natin sa loob ng parenthesis. At yung natira sa right side, kokopyahin lang po. Negative 1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 4. Now, since the given, meron po siyang parenthesis, therefore, we need to apply distributive property. I-distribute natin yung monomial sa binomial. 2 times y, 2y. Again, 2 times y, 2y. And then 2 times negative 3, negative 6, is equal to negative 1 times x. Negative 1x, or just simply negative x. Negative times negative, positive. 1 times 4. Okay, then after that, combine similar terms. So what are similar terms? Negative 6 and positive 4. O, ililipat po yung alin? Papunta kay? Okay, magiging? Okay, very good. This will become 2y is equal to negative x plus 4 plus 6. Okay, simplify. 4 plus 6, 10. Then copy the remaining term. Then after that, last step, divide both sides by what? By 2. Cancel. So this will become y is equal to, what is the numerical coefficient here? 1. Negative 1/2 x plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, therefore this is the equation of a line in slope intercept 4. Again, what is the given slope? Negative 1/2. Equal ba sa slope natin? Okay, therefore the answer is correct. Now, after getting the answer in slope intercept form, rewrite naman po. Rewrite the given to standard form. Or what we're going to do? Lipat po yung papunta sa, what will be the sign? Okay, magiging positive 1/2 x. Anong sign ni y? Okay, plus y, kasi positive po, is equal to 5. Do you think this is already the answer? No, because the value of a is a fraction. Dapat ito ay whole number. So ano pong gagawin natin para maging whole number? Multiply both sides by the denominator, which is 2. So 2 times 1 divided by 2, or just simply x. Then 2 times y. Okay, 2y. And 5 times 2. Okay, therefore this is the standard form of the given slope and a point. And this is the slope intercept form. So